Yep, I'm losing patience already. Here we go. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Hey guys, and welcome to Will's Daily Show. Nope, did not like that intro. Now we all must remember that I have never done this before. It's going to be excellent. Hey guys, nope. Try it again. Hey guys, welcome to Will's Daily Show. It seems that we have ruined it. For today's show, we're gonna show you how to fix an iPhone XS Max. Now this one's pretty banged up. The front screen is broken, the back is broken, the camera is broken, and the speaker is also broken from inside. So we got all these parts from Amazon, and we're gonna get right into fixing it. I have never fixed an iPhone XS Max before, but it's going to be fun trying this for the first time with you guys, and let's hope everything goes well. Now again, if you guys watch my other videos, I do not believe in manuals. So here we go. Everything is gonna happen without any manuals. I hope it works, and I hope this thing does not end up going to the garbage. But let's give it a try. I don't really know where to start. I got the glass somewhere. We got the back for the digitizer, the back glass, and the speaker. So I guess I'm gonna open this again because it looks like it's the speaker. But let's do this. This one comes with a lot of tools. So let's see what this is. All right, let's open it up. There are some tools that come with it. So let's put them all out on the table. Let's see what they are. So here are some tools. There's some guitar picks. What's this? So this looks like the tempered glass. We'll put it at the end once everything is done. And there is the, let's see what this is. Ooh. So here's the screen. There's the digitizer. Yes. So there it is. So hopefully this will be here. We'll replace it. So again, we have to do a lot here on this phone because it's the front, the back, the camera, and everything else in between. So let's see. I don't know if I got the camera, but anyhow, okay. So let's go. Let's start by opening this up. This is going to be interesting here. I see again 2 screws here at the bottom. We'll get one of these guys. Oh, the first one worked right away. This one does not seem to be coming out as easily as the other one. This one isn't working. This one's not working. Does it work? Nope. This one. Okay, this one does not seem to be working. Not sure why. Let's try this one. Looks like we're stripping the screw. The only screw we need to get out to open this phone. So here we go. Let's keep trying. This screw does not seem to want to come out for some reason. We'll keep trying because it's got to come out somehow. Now we have to use one of these blue sticks to pry the screen open somehow. Oh, the phone is on. So what I would suggest actually is turning the phone off before attempting this fix. Power off. It seems like it's moving slowly. So we get the guitar pick looking tool here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So it looks like it's separating slowly. So I'm just going to run that around like so. Right? Ugh. It's kind of, oh man. I feel like I'm going to break this more than it already is. But here we go. There it is. Out. Okay. So there's a lot of gluey stuff here around the frame that we'll just clean off. Hopefully the other screen has something. No, it does not. Rubbery, gluey stuff. I gotta take everything apart because this has to go in there. We have to put the back and the speaker. See what the speaker looks like. What's this? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Tweezers. Knife. Card. Oh, this isn't the speaker. This is the camera. The lens for the camera. What is this? Oh, this is the camera. Okay, so this is the camera. The glass for the camera outside. Yep, right there. What is it? So this is the tempered glass. What is this? A lot of parts. Gosh, so many knives. So many knives. And this is the back glass. Gosh, back glass. And a knife that comes with it. So many dangerous tools that come with this fix. Okay, I don't even know where to start. But it looks like, let's take everything apart. Step one, everything must go. How do I even take this one off? Back glass replacement toolkit. Very fancy product. This is the opening tool. Okay. All right, so let's get this disconnected first of all. Where is this? This is gonna be tough. I gotta take everything apart. I'm just not sure if I'll ever be able to put it back together. More like I have to watch a video to figure out how to, take it apart and put it back together. Get the camera out of the way, the lens there. Okay, try and get organized. Yep, I'm losing patience already. But the good part is, this kit does not come with a manual. That's exactly how I like it. No manuals needed. For this fix, not sure why some of them don't quite work. It's very dusty from inside. They're very annoying screws. Very annoying. Very annoying. We'll just keep trying until one of them works. This one isn't working. This. Nothing wants to work. But I think we're almost there. But I have a really good feeling about this. It's gonna go very well. All right, now I think it's time to use our tweezers because the screw fell in here. There it is. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. This one will go here. This one will go there. Okay. Whoa, everything is glued. What is this? This is the camera. Assuming this is going to go in the other digitizer. I don't really know which part goes away and which part stays here. No idea how this works. Okay, I'm not quite sure how to get this out of here. But I'll keep trying. I think I've unscrewed everything that needs to be unscrewed. It's very delicate, so you gotta be careful with this entire process. Yay, here it is. There it is. It came off. We managed not to break a thing, but I'm not quite sure if I can put the new one back. I'm not putting the new one back just yet, only because we have to replace the speaker, which here it is. So I'm just gonna, and also the back glass, which I honestly do not know how to do that just yet. But let's look at the speaker. I'm gonna open it up because I noticed when I was using the phone, I couldn't hear people very well. So let's see what this one looks like. Whoa, it looks like this. There's a speaker. And let's see where this fits. Where do you think this is? Not really sure. Whoa, you know what? This looks just like this. Could this be the speaker? This is the speaker up here. Awesome. So this one has to be taken off from here somehow. There it is. There it is. Speaker gone. Perfect. So this goes like this. And then this will fit in the other one somehow. Perfect. All right, so this is the speaker. But now that this is all disconnected, let's figure out how to replace this. So now what I'm assuming is, so this back screen, I can just go like that. Haha, fixed. Not really. It came with this, so I'm not sure if I can take this whole thing apart. But what I'm thinking is, the opening tool is to maybe scratch this off. Would that be it? But then how do I stick this back on? Does it glue back on? No. How does this go on this? Also, we have to replace the camera screen. Let's see what we have here. What does this look like? So this is the screen. But is this the one that goes from here? This is not. It is. It is. Okay, so this looks like we're gonna have to change it. I honestly don't know how. Or even where to start, or how to start to change it. But what I'll do is, it looks like we might have to take this part off right here. Okay, let's unscrew this part. Wow, so many parts come with this phone. I'm not really sure how to take it all apart. You gotta be so delicate with these parts. Oh man. Here comes the camera. Very delicate with it. And there is a flashlight. Oh my goodness. Again, so many different variables here. Okay, flashlight is out. Not sure how this fits in here. Do I push it out? But it looks like we have ripped the flashlight. Destruction. Okay, so first thing destroyed was the flashlight, which is not a big deal. Now we still have the screen. Ow! To get out somehow. So what I did was I just punctured it and it hurt a lot. I'm not really sure how to get the screen out. Not sure how the screen comes off. But we've broken something. Okay, screen must come off. You must come off now. Yep. So just going through the holes with this tweezers. Glass is falling out everywhere. Breaking the screen. Woo, it's breaking. Let's use this tool maybe. Yeah. I just don't understand how this comes off. Honestly. Whoa! Glass is flying everywhere. You just... How do you get this off? I don't know. I didn't know that this was going to be hard. Right? But they give you this tool for some reason, so I'm assuming this is to get it off, right? Maybe? But even with this, it's not working. And how do you get off? How do you get the camera lens off? This must be very... I don't know if this is the right way of doing this. I mean, to break it. So maybe this is the key. Maybe the key is to break it even more. So you might ask yourself, how did I break this? I ran over it by mistake. It fell out of my pocket onto the street, and I rolled the car on it. Done. The phone was destroyed. Okay, but I'm thinking I might have to run over it a little bit more to get this off. Yeah, must run over it because it doesn't look like this is any good. Why do they make things impossible to come off? How do you really get this out? I honestly don't know. What do you do? What do you do? I have this. Do I do something with this? Ouch. Yeah. This seems to be working, but it also seems to be very dangerous. Maybe replacing the back screen isn't a good idea after all, because there's a lot of glass to get out. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Might have to look at a YouTube video. Really? Is that really? This is plastic though. Maybe I should just glue it on top. That's not gonna work. How do I do this? I mean, this seems impossible to just keep peeling off the glass like that. I don't think this will work with me. I don't think I have the patience nor the skills to get this out with these tools. So I'm afraid I might have to use more effective tools. Let's keep trying for a little bit more, a little bit longer. So what we have learned so far is that Apple makes it impossible. Glass is going everywhere. To get this out of here. What must we do now? So how about we use other tools? But let's see. Okay, all right. This is not gonna work. I got it. I've gone ahead and I think I got a tool that will help us get rid of this back glass much quicker than the traditional Apple tools that they recommend us to use. I think this tool might help us. Yeah, I think if I break it, it seems to work much faster. Very dangerous work. Glass particles are everywhere. This sucks. Glass seems to be everywhere. I think this tool is much more effective than anything else. There. So this slides right in there. Oh yes. Not sure what this is. Glass goes in. Oh. Yes. There we go. Now we get to see what's inside this phone. This is where I'm thinking the wireless charging happens, right? Yep, this is where the wireless charging might happen. I might have damaged it a tiny bit, but I don't think it's a problem. That's gonna take a lot of time. How do you clean that off? A lot of glasses here now. Maybe a couple more hits, okay? Make sure you clean your workstation after, because you don't want the glass flying everywhere. Yep. This really sucks. I don't recommend fixing your phone at all. They make it impossible for you to fix. But once this is cleaned off, then we'll proceed by somehow putting on the new one. Not sure how, but we'll figure it out as we go together. More. It's really stupid. There's glass on the floor, there's glass everywhere. Okay, I'm done. I don't think I'm going with this DIY anymore because it looks like we have damaged the battery, which means this phone is now garbage. There we go. Should we attempt to finish it? Doesn't look like it needs to be fixed anymore. I think a good idea right now is to return the parts to Amazon and get our money back. Because I think this DIY is a failure. It's not gonna work. I don't know what this is. It seems that we have ruined it. That's that. Can the phone work without any wireless charging? Yes, it can. Why can't it? Not sure if this phone will ever turn on. Do we need wireless charging? We don't. I think we might have killed the battery. Ouch. It says do not puncture, and I think some glass went inside. Nevertheless, the journey must go on. Must not stop until the end. But it looks like the end is near, my friends. As I don't think this will ever come off. Not sure what they were thinking when they designed this phone. Don't ever take it apart. I don't think there's an easy way of taking this apart. I think this was designed to stay there forever. If this ends up working at the end, I'll be very, very, very surprised. We should have bought a battery in case something like this happened. So maybe when you're attempting to do this, buy a battery. Taptic engine is over here. It says it's Taptic engine. How am I supposed to get this off? I really don't know. We tried hammering, did not work. Whoa! Glass flying everywhere. Do not attempt this at home. Once this goes on here, I don't even know how to fix it. But let's not think about this right now. Let's not until this is all cleaned. I mean, we're getting there. Glass is everywhere. I recommend using face protection when doing this, because glass might just come flying out at your eyes like it did to mine. Well, one thing we've ruined so far for sure is the flash. Second thing we ruined for sure is this thing here. Yep. So what I might recommend is putting everything back and sending it away. Yeah. Away. I mean, maybe what we could have done is not fix the back. Because really, who needs the back of a phone? Who needs it? Just put a case on it. Honestly. But again, how do you get this off? How do you get the camera? Maybe you don't. Maybe you do. Maybe you don't get it off. Who needs that? Does anyone need the flash? Does anyone need a camera? What if we just put this on like this and glue it on that and call it a day, maybe? It's a very dangerous fix. Not good at all. Well, there's glass everywhere. Apparently this screen does not come off. I was hammering it to get it off. I think I might have destroyed the phone actually. Ow, glass is in my hand.
Okay, well, I don't think you should do that.
There was no other way. Weird smells are coming out of the phone. Weird. So the idea was to fix this phone so I can sell it. So I guess this idea is not happening anymore. Well, let's go here and look pretty. Maybe. I mean, there's a lot to clean off here, but once I'm done this, then I put everything back together. Okay? It's like a surgery gone wrong. And I think there's glass in my hand. But I think the idea is now to just go like this. I think this would look so good. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, but who really needs it to be perfect? So we know the battery might not work. We know the flash is broken, and we know the wireless charging is broken. 3 things we know for sure, because we have evidence of them being broken. Okay, I think I'm gonna give up on the back now. The back can just stay like this. We'll glue this after, once we fix the front. This will be glued. It looks so beautiful. Then we put things back now. This goes here, this goes there. That's the camera. Very easy, everything snips back right in place. Camera back. These things go back now. Now it's gonna be very, very hard finding which screw will go where. I might have lost some screwdrivers in the process. Oh, here we go. But this might not even be it, but anyways. This one is which here. See, this is the part I don't like, is putting Apple stuff back in. good thing about these screwdrivers is that they're magnetic, so it makes it easy for the screw to stick to it. Okay, once we put this back together, hopefully it turns on and it does not explode. Okay, next. Not sure if any of what I had done to this had any reason for this not to work, but it does not work, and I think this is garbage. Okay, we're done. And this is how you should never fix an iPhone XS Max. I'm out. Yeah, we knew this was gonna happen.